Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Craftmas day 2, 3, 4, 8. I don't know. No, it's day 3. And today I want to share with you the advent calendars that I set up for my kids. This is something that's fairly new. I didn't actually always do this for them. Only in the last 4 or 5 years have I started doing this with them. And I'm going to put together Violet's with you. And here I am. I got some items off of Amazon. As the kids get older, it gets harder and harder to figure out advent calendars for them. And I had an idea for her and I wanted to put it together and I wanted it to be really simple. I did something similar last year where I put them together, and you'll see I'm actually going to reuse what I used last year because this was literally the day before December 1st. So I purchased these boxes. Now they're super cute, but I literally thought they were a quarter of the size. And so they're these little craft boxes, and then they come with this ribbon, and then there's these like die cuts, and one's like a snowflake and a Christmas tree, and I think one's a snowman. And then you see on my desk also those little tiny Christmas like ornament things. That's what her advent calendar is going to be this year, and so obviously those are very tiny and these boxes are really big. Now I did keep the well, they're bags, they're not boxes, they're these little bags, and then they pinch together and you put the ribbon in them, and they're super cute and I love them, but they're too big. You can see that I'm like, oh man, they're too big. And I really should have looked at these before. I've had them for, I don't know, about 2 weeks, and I just didn't even open them up and look at them. I just left them in the box and shoved them with the Christmas stuff. And then, you know, now I'm in a pickle. So what I'm doing for her advent calendar is there's these little tiny ornaments, and we have a mini Christmas tree. And what I decided to do was get a set of these and make an advent calendar for her. And she gets really excited about different traditions. And I thought this would be fun for her to be able to decorate the mini Christmas tree all month long, and then we could make it a tradition that she decorates that tree every year. So the first set I got is not the set that I opened up right here. The first set I got is the one that's under my other hand. And when I saw those when they came in, they were kind of ugly. These right here, they were really bright. Like there's some of these that are like fluorescent orange. I don't know. They just looked really gross. And so I did see that through the box, and so I ordered another set. And what I ended up doing was taking a few out of this set and I kind of mixed them together. And then I will tie that gold ribbon around each one of them. And then that is what I will end up doing for her advent calendar. And last year I did something similar where I found a set of 24 Shopkins and I just put them in little bags with a piece of candy, and then that's what she got all month. And so I was going to do something similar because I couldn't find anything for her for this year. It's harder when the kids get older to find them stuff, and particularly Violet, who's autistic. She doesn't have, like, her interests are pretty specific, and it's just harder to find her things that she'll be excited about. So what I ended up doing was just mixing both of these sets and picking out 24 of them that I thought were, you know, matched and looked nice and weren't fluorescent orange. And then I will tie the gold twine onto them, and then I'm going to end up getting out the bags that I used last year. I went and dug in my stash of pretty packaging to try to find something, which I knew I didn't really have anything because that's why I ordered those bags to begin with. But I went and I dug through that, and then I did find the little bags that I used last year, and that's what I ended up using. So what I ended up doing was picking out 24 of these. I grabbed the little bags from last year. I put a Smartie, that's one of her favorite candies. I put one Smartie in with one of the ornaments. Now, the other thing that I realized when I was doing this was that she probably needed something else. Like, I didn't think this would be so super fun for her. Like, I knew she would be excited about it, but it might not be like the most exciting thing for her. So what I ended up doing is this day I needed more candy, Anyway, so I ran to Walmart and I got 2 sets of earrings. She just got her ears pierced in October, and last week she was able to take the studs out and use, normal earrings. And so I got 2 sets of earrings. I think there was like 12 in one and 15 in the other. And then I used a punch, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. I used a punch and broke up all the earrings, and then I did earrings, and then I got a little set of bracelets. So I think there's like 4 bracelets, and then there's like 20 sets of earrings. And so I put one of those in with each of the ornaments. And so she gets an ornament, she puts it on the little tree, and then she gets a set of earrings. So she already got she got a set of earrings on the first day. And then on the second day, yesterday, she got a bracelet. And then today she got another little set of earrings. Today's earrings were flamingo earrings. So it's a nice way to give her some earrings to build up her collection, since she just got them done. And then she can also get a little something that is for her along with decorating the tree. So at the very end of this video, I will show you how I did the earrings and put them together. I literally just used a punch and then put the earrings together. So the other thing that I do with them, with their advent calendars, is I get them a mug. Now, the first couple years I did Christmas mugs, and I set the mug with their advent calendar, and then I fill the mug up with candy or like a hot cocoa mix, and then they use that all Christmas, and that's why they originally were Christmas mugs. This year I decided that they didn't have to be Christmas mugs, that it could just be a mug, because we use them all month long anyways. So I do a mug for each of them, and then I put the candy in it. So I needed more candy anyways, because I forgot to pick that up. And so I ran and I picked up more candy, and then I will put the candy and do the mugs. And I have a photo. There'll be a photo at the end of the video as well of their advent calendars all set up and how it ended up looking. These are the bags that I used last year. I will try to remember to link last year's advent calendar for my kids video in the description below, but I used these bags, and I had found a set of Shopkins on Amazon that happened to be 24 pieces, so I knew that that would be perfect for, an advent calendar. So I just put a Smartie and a Shopkin in that bag, and then she just picked one each day and got a little piece of candy and then a Shopkin. So for this year, I'm going to do the same type of thing. I'm going to tie the twine around each one of these and then trim that up, and then I'll put a Smartie inside the bag as well. And so it was about halfway through this that I realized I probably needed something else, like a little something else. So I end up doing the earring thing, and that ended up working. See, like right here, I'm kind of thinking like, I feel like it needs to be a little bit more, like this might not be all that exciting. I know she'll be excited about the tradition, but I just knew that it wouldn't be as exciting, and that's the only thing she gets to do. So for Andrew, he got a Raiders mug, and then he got a tool set. It was very difficult to find an advent calendar for him. And not to mention, advent calendars are expensive. The tool one I got him was $45. And then Kayla got a Lego Guardian of the Galaxy advent calendar, which was, again, $45. I mean, they're so expensive. And I knew she would like that. In the end, I just should have got Andrew that same one, because I think he was a little more disappointed that he didn't get the Lego one. But I always try to make everybody's different. Kayla got a Snoopy mug because she's totally into Snoopy, and I had found a Snoopy mug, and that's great. And then Violet got that mermaid mug, which is pretty small. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but it is small. It has the top, and then the top I just told her that she could use for, she has a ring that she wears that is her favorite ring, and then also her earrings, and we put it in the bathroom, and I told her she could set her jewelry on that, and that's what it was for. So she liked that. She loves anything mermaid, so that was great. So let me show you how I ended up doing the earrings And then let me show you a photo of how the advent calendars came out and where I set them in my house. And I do really love these bags that I got on Amazon. I will also link that if you're interested. Both of these, the little cinch bags I got on Amazon, and then the little craft bags I also got on Amazon. I'll keep the craft bags and I can do other things with them. You know me, I always love having my crafty, pretty packaging items. So I will definitely use them, but I'm a little disappointed that they were so big, and I probably would have returned them if I would have opened them right away and saw that they were, like, even if I would have just looked at the package, I would have known they were going to be too big. I probably would have returned them, but at the end of the day, it's totally fine. I'll use them at some point. So let me show you what I did for the earrings and where I put their advent calendars. Also, don't forget to pop over to the blog and see my December daily pages for this year and what I'm doing with those. Okay, so we're here in my living room, which I never film anywhere but in my office, but we're here in my living room, and don't mind my husband's work shirt. He's getting ready for work. This is Andrew's advent calendar, and it is a little tool kit, and the first day he got the little container, and then now each day he's gotten a little tool set. He's really into tools now and building things. And then this basket always sits on this bench. I usually like put my purse in it, or bags that, you know, reusable bags, or, you know, whatever it is. So I just stuck all of her advent calendar pieces. And then we have Kayla's Guardian of the Galaxy. And then we also have this little snowman, which they usually change over to the day. But here's her advent calendar. And like, this was hers from today. She just picks one out of here. And then when we open it up, it has the little piece in there. And then hopefully this has earrings. Yeah. So I just took my punch. This, you'll recognize this as one of the punches that I have. And I just punched 2 holes in it. And then I put the earrings in. And then that's what is in her little bags. And then she just picks one out every day from that. And then she usually gives me the little bag back. And I just put it away. So that is where the advent calendars sit, and that is their advent calendars. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing this and that you're enjoying Craftmas this year. I'll be back tomorrow with another project. I think we're getting crafty tomorrow. So make sure you come back tomorrow and hang out with me for Craftmas Day 4. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. There are 2 other videos here on the screen that you can check out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That helps YouTube be kind to me, and I would love it if they would be kind to me this Christmas season. I hope you're all having a wonderful start to December, and I will catch you in my next Craftmas video.